Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store cannot connect, something went wrong. Try again later in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing a display issue that whenever you try to open your App Store, you see an error that your App Store cannot connect, please try again later. So let's see how can you fix this problem. You just have to go back from here, and the very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times, or you can try to open any website to check if your internet is running well or not. So let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. Just open any random website to check if your internet is working well or not. So once you have checked, you just have to simply go back, and here you have to go to settings, then go to general, go to VPN device management, and here you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, just try to disconnect with that. Then go back from here and go to date and time setting. You have to also make sure that toggle offset automatically is enabled for your date and night time, or you can manually select your time zone from here. And once you have done, just go back, and here you have to try to make a force restart to your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, and press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to open your App Store to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go back, and here you just have to open your settings app, then go for general, and here go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset all settings from here, or you can also select reset network settings to only reset your network setting. Let's say I'm going to select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings to reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. It will just reset your network setting, including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, and cellular. So if there will be any bug or any issue with your network setting, it will be fixed in this tab, and you'll not get the issue again. Or you can also try to update your software. So go to settings app here, go to general, and go to software update, and you have to make sure that your software is up to date. There's no pending update for your software. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating, just simply go back, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed, but if it's still not fixed, the issue, so there's the only way. You just have to contact with the Apple support team to get official help for this. So you have to simply open your App Store or your Sport app. Here in your Sport app, just select iPhone, then select this more option, and here select App Store, and here you just have to wait for this loading. Then select this get more help option. Then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you'll be connected to the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, you should be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.